Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class. Yesterday, I finished your whole chapter, chapter 7, some more about internet. Okay, so I finished your question answer, exercises, and explanation. Okay, so now today I start your next chapter, chapter 8. Okay, I start your next chapter, chapter 8, and today I will explain your chapter. So listen very carefully and just read and understand this topic. Okay, so let us start our next chapter, chapter 8. So students, let us start our next chapter. Name is creating presentation with MS PowerPoint 2010. Okay, the chapter name is creating presentation with MS PowerPoint 2010. Students, first of all, we know that what is MS PowerPoint 2010. Okay, what is MS PowerPoint 2010? I hope you all are familiar with MS Word program. Okay, all of you know. So, which part of MS Microsoft Office suite, as it is the text editor application, you can create text document in it. Okay. In this chapter, you will learn about another program called MS PowerPoint 2010, which is also a part of MS Office and used to create presentation. So students, PowerPoint 2010 is a presentation software that allow you to create dynamic slide presentation that can include animation, narration, images and videos in this lesson. PowerPoint uses slide to build a presentation. So students, in this chapter we will learn about MS PowerPoint 2010, which is also a part of MS Office. In this chapter we will learn that our first point is what is a presentation. Second, part of MS PowerPoint windows. Third, inserting text and various objects in a presentation. Fourth, saving a presentation. Okay. And fifth, MS PowerPoint 2010. Sixth, creating a presentation. And last one is closing PowerPoint presentation. That how we can close PowerPoint presentation slide. Okay. So, first of all, our first point is that what is a presentation. Okay. So, listen carefully every students, because this is very interesting chapter and you all are enjoyed very well. Okay. So, our heading is what is presentation. So first understand that what is a presentation. सबसे पहले हमें ये समझना है कि presentation क्या होती है. ओके, प्रेजेंटेशन वर्ड मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स आप सभी समझते होंगे जैसे हमें कोई चीज़ प्रेजेंट करना है तो उसके लिए हम पूरी तरह, जैसे आप लोगों को वीडियोस का आगे कि आप लोगों को वीडियो बनाना है, वीडियो प्रेजेंट करना है, भेजना है आप लोगों को डांसिंग का, तो उसके लिए आप वेल ड्रेसअप होते हो ना. ड्रेस उसी के अकॉर्डिंग होती है, थीम उसी के अकॉर्डिंग होती है, मेकअप उसी के अकॉर्डिंग होता है, डिज़ाइन उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आप लोग अपने आप को करते हो. तो इस तरह से आप पूरी तरह अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करते हो उस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, मतलब उस वीडियो के लिए. ठीक है ना. तो इसी तरह प्रेजेंटेशन इसमें होती है कि मीन्स अगर हमें कोई चीज़ प्रेजेंट करनी है, जैसे आप लोग ऐड देखते हो, ऐड के पैम्पलेट देखते हो न्यू स्कूल एडमिशन के पैम्पलेट्स जगह जगह लगे होते हैं. किसी चीज़ का ऐड किसी को करना होता है तो उसके प्रेजेंटेशन के पैम्पलेट्स लगे होते हैं ना, तो उसको कितने अच्छे से वो डिज़ाइन करते हैं. तो वो सब चीज़ें हम इसमें कर सकते हैं. ओके. सो फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट इज़ अ प्रेजेंटेशन एंड व्हाई डू you need to create a presentation. So, a presentation is merely an idea or concept. Okay, presentation is merely an idea or concept expressed systematically through pictures, graphics, text and other media tool. Okay, so you all are understand? A presentation is merely an idea or concept expressed systematically through pictures, graphics, text and other media tools. So, have you noticed large holdings of advertisement on roadside and bus stops? आपने कभी कभी देखा है कि बहुत बड़े बड़े होल्डिंग्स लगते हैं, बैनर्स लगते हैं, पोस्टर्स लगते हैं एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए रोड के साइड में, देखा है ना? तो उन सब की जो होल्डिंग होती है, उन सब का जो डिज़ाइन होता है, उन सब का जो डेकोरेशन होता है, वो हम सब इसी प्रेजेंट पावर पॉइंट के थ्रू ही करते हैं. ओके, सो these ads are usually large in size and these ads are usually large in size and contain colorful pictures and bright letters, so people get attracted towards them and also remember the advertised product. Thus, in the sense, an advertisement is nothing but a presentation. So you can say that a presentation is used to make an idea attractive so that it is easily understood and rememberable by others. So students, you all are well know that what is presentation. Okay. In our next topic, we will learn that what is MS PowerPoint 2010. That I also introduce you that what is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation software that allow you to create dynamic slide presentation that can include animation, narration, images and videos in this lesson. PowerPoint uses slides to build a presentation. Okay, so in our next topic we will learn that MS PowerPoint. What is MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a presentation software. It helps to create attractive presentation using various tools like text, pictures, smart charts, graphic, animation and sound. Okay, so students, I will show you the PowerPoint window. This is your PowerPoint window. Okay, this is your slide. Okay, so in our next topic today I will discuss in our next topic that insert text and various object in a presentation. हमारे next topic में हम क्या पढ़ेंगे कि हम टेक्स्ट और अदर ऑब्जेक्ट्स अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में कैसे इंक्लूड करते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ दिस इज द today's lecture. You all are well read and understand, I hope, and if you have any doubt, so ask me in your class group. Okay, tomorrow I will show you laptop the PowerPoint windows. Okay, so you all are clear your doubts. All the doubts are clear. So today is your, I hope you all are completed your previous chapter 7. So tomorrow I will teach you next topic. The topic is insert text and various objects. Okay students, good day to all of you.